Hey guys, this is Ittihas from HiFi Public. Welcome to another one of our unboxing video, and this time we are unboxing mBTR, the latest Bluetooth headphone amplifier by FiiO. Alright, so since early 2016, flagship phones started discarding their headphone jacks. Apple started the trend and Android quickly followed suit. Since then, people started using different kind of dongles. But since dongles are so problematic, Bluetooth headphone devices are quickly gaining popularity. In light of these events, FiiO launched their latest Bluetooth headphone amplifier, the mBTR. Let's see what's inside. Alright, here we have it. This is the mBTR, the device that we talked about. Let's see what else we have here. We have the charging cable. It's a Type-C cable. It's the instruction manual. And that's about it in the package. A little about the device. It's quite lightweight and sturdy, and it has the 3.5mm headphone jack, the power button, and the volume up and down button. I can see that it has a mic as well. Another feature is if you long press the power up button, it will shift to the next track. And to end it, we can see that it has an NFC feature. If you turn on the NFC feature on your phone, it will connect automatically. And you can also pair two devices at once. Not really sure what to do with that. That's it guys, we have unboxed the mBTR for you. Hope you guys liked this video. If you did, like, share and subscribe. And if you want this product in your hands, go to Gears for Ears and use the discount code HiFi240 to get a straight $240 off on your next purchase. That's it, see you later.